Hi guys, welcome to Mind Words, and today we are going to discuss about words in the context of making something short, whether in terms of your speech or in terms of your idea. Now, how you're going to convey, we are going to see those words. So let's get started. Now, the first word that we are going to say is abridge. Now, abridge means to cut something short. Now, it seems like, it rings like something bridge related thing, and let's remember this word in terms of bridge, where during a making of a bridge some parts are cut short and then assembled together. So a bridge means to cut something short. Now the next word that we are going to see is compendium. Now compendium means to comprise of certain things or a collection of certain things in a short format. Now think about the mathematical formula that you have written during your school days and for the preparation of the examination. You make a list, you make a compendium. Alright, so compendium means to make a compilation for the end exam. Compilation, end exam. The synonyms for compendium can be remembered as conspectus, which sounds like prospectus in terms of a book that is being given during the admission of an university. So conspectus is short related information. So the next word that we are going to see is crux. Now you're familiar with this word in terms of reading comprehension, where some questions are asked, what is the crux of the passage, or the main information of the passage that is required. Synonyms are synopsis, or you can think about in your school days where you used to write a précis, which is ultimately a summary of a passage. Now crux is a detailed information in a passage which is very important. Synonyms of crux can be used in terms of summary or summation, or you can think about gist of the passage. So gist is also taken into consideration. Now the next word that we are going to see is epitome. Now epitome means something or some work which are in terms of abstract information. Now abstract in the sense like it's in a short format. Epitome can also mean a perfect embodiment of something or someone. Now think about Cleopatra. She was an epitome of beauty. So you can remember this word as Cleopatra as being so beautiful that her tomb would be very epic, like epic tomb, as because it would be very decorated. So epitome means summary of a work or abstract part of an information, or a perfect example or an embodiment of a person or a personality. Now the next word that we are going to say is brevity. Brevity means concise use and exact use of something in writing or in speech. Brevity also means the shortness of something, like the shortness of human life. Now brevity can be remembered as a word thinking about brain witty. Now the wit of the brain is determined by using concise words. You can also think about this intelligence or the wit degrades as time goes, so it's very short-lived. Now the synonyms of brevity can be ephemeral, which is short-lived. Second is transient, as it is for a short period of time. Or we can think about briefness, where you are using certain to the point word. And lastly, the word impermanence. Now impermanence means something which is not permanent. Alright, now the next word that we are going to say is succinct. Now succinct means short-lived in terms of thinking success, as success incremental is very short-lived, and it is determined in terms of crisp things. So succinct, success, crisp things. Now the synonyms are very short-lived in terms of thinking as terse or quip, short two words. Now terse can be used in terms of negative connotations, which can be meaning of curt. Now curt is a short, brusque reply. Now brusque also means a short word or short sentences which you are going to use in terms of a negative way. Now the next word that we are going to say is pith. Now pith is actually the central part of something. Now think about orange, where the central part is whitish portion is called a pith. So pith also means in terms of using short sentences to the context. The last word that we are going to say is maxim. Now maxim reminds you about those cover pages where celebrities are wearing short dresses. Now you can remember maxim in terms of short something. So short dress, yes, that's a very good way of remembering. Now maxim means using words which are very short, or you can think about using sentences which are short in reply. Now synonyms of maxim are lots, so you can think about adage in the sense of using a proverb to explain your wit. Then can be epigram. So these are also meaning of the short sentences or the short replies that you are going to give. Quip also means the same thing, and words like aphorism, dictum and adage also means the same thing. So thank you guys. These are all the synonyms that are there for cutting something short, and all those words. I know the video was not that short, but yes, it's going to help you and in terms of the context. Now the antonyms of those words are given in the description. You can check those out, and please guys, write those down in your notebook and make a compendium. So cheers guys, thank you for watching my video.